Hi, my name's Todd, and this is my dooryard. It is currently 86 degrees foolish. That makes it 30 degrees civilized. And we got something special here today, something new. See if we can't get this laid out so we can actually see it. Hey, breeze. And of course, I've been wearing this one, so it's already got cat hair on it. But that is our new t-shirt. And wifely unit is currently, no, that ain't working out very well, is it? We're currently working on trying to get that shop in the Patreon set up, and I don't know. We're old, so we ain't that smart. Yeah. Yeah, actually, let's try it on the back of the car like that. That's all right. So, like I said, Wifely is working hard to try and get this set up onto the Patreon shop area. Sure, it's gonna be. Yeah, that's working out real good, Todd. Sure, it's gonna be $29.95. If you would like one, and we haven't gotten that. If you'd like one, and we haven't gotten that Patreon site up and running yet, I don't know. Give me a way to contact you in the comments. Wow. You got to be able to put two words together to be able to communicate, Todd. Some days are tougher than others, I tell you what. So, yeah. If you'd like a t-shirt, let us know. We'll do our best to try and get one to you. Appreciate your time. Have a good day. We'll catch you next time. This has been an Empty Pockets production.